Okay, this isn't a skinning tutorial, it's just to prove that the DAE files, Collada files work in Maya. I did a previous video on it working in Max, and I showed skinning in Max. But if you want to do your skinning, you can export the devkit body itself and bring in your garments in Maya. If you have the Bento Buddy version of the devkit, you do not have to create a devkit preset. But let's just skin this really quick. This is not a skinning tutorial, so you can just really pretty much ignore that. And I'm just going to select both of these items, the body and the shirt, short dress, and export it right here. I'll put it in number 2 here, and then I'll go over to Maya and import the whole bunch, and then we'll export the shirt all by itself for Second Life and show that it fits the in-world body. Let's make sure I'm on the right units. Let's see, window, settings, preferences, and I'll go to meters and save. Import this. DAE FBX, and we have our number 2. Just grab that. And I'm just going to select the garment. The garment's already skinned, and I'm just going to export it like that. Export selection, and I'll put that in my temp. That's my usual test, and just export it. No big deal. Here we go. Now, from a previous test, I colored this same garment from Max red, and let's see how well they match. This one is from Maya. And just add that. And they're an exact match. That's why you get the flickering. And that's it.